How to change map in PUBG. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. If you are ready to explore new battlegrounds in PUBG Mobile, then switching maps let you play on different terrains and try new strategies. First of all, launch open the PUBG Mobile game on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load. Once you're inside the lobby screen of PUBG, go ahead and tap on the map option on the bottom left over there on the screen and select the different map you'd like to change to. Some of the map needs to be downloaded first. Simply tap the download option for the map you want, and after the download is complete, simply tap on the map. Now you'll be able to change your map. Once you've selected the map, tap on start to start the game. You can also find other different maps on the screen. Simply go ahead and download the map first if you haven't, and then choose the map to get inside the match. So from there you will be able to change your map in PUBG Mobile. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.